Hey guys, it's Dr. Roberts here, and today we're going to give you a quick little office tour so that you can know what to expect when you show up at Nashville Neck and Back. This is our reception area where you'll fill out your new patient paperwork. This is also where you'll get checked in and checked out, and you'll always be greeted with a warm smile from our staff. All right, so if you're ready, come on back and I'll show you around. In the first part of our treatment area, you'll notice our mechanical intersegmental traction tables. Now, patients normally call these our roller tables, and these tables are designed to gently roll up and down your spine to add motion to each individual segment, as well as get you loosened up before or after your adjustment. Okay, and this other part of our treatment area is our non-surgical spinal decompression table. This table is specifically designed for our disc patients who have shooting pain down their legs, down their arms. And what this table does is it literally decompresses the spine so that it allows that disc to heal and those symptoms will go away. All right, now we're in our therapy area where we do our exercises, our stretches, and our E-stim. And E-stim is great for muscle spasms, trigger points, or just to get you loosened up and ready for the adjustment. Oh, and don't forget the Wall of Fame. Check that out. You never know who you're going to see at Nashville Neck and Back. Okay, so now we're in the adjusting bay where all the chiropractic care takes place. This is where you'll come on most of your visits, where we do all of our adjustments and a lot of our therapies as well, and any muscle work that has to be done all takes place right here. All right, so now we're in our new patient in our consultation room. On your first visit, we'll bring you back here and we will have a thorough conversation about any of your complaints, your concerns, anything that you have a question about. That helps me develop the bigger picture on how I can help you best. On your second visit, we also will come in this room. This is where we go over your reported findings. This is where we go over your x-rays, any previous x-rays or MRIs that you might have had. We put that all together to come up with a specific treatment plan designed just for you. All right, and lastly, we have our high-frequency digital x-ray suite. This is top-of-the-line software. This software allows me to take the images that we take of your spine and instantly see them on the screen. That way we can go over them together. We don't have to waste time processing the x-rays, and it just speeds the whole process up. All right, guys, thank you for taking the tour of Nashville Neck and Back with me today. I consider it a privilege and an honor to take care of all my patients here in Middle Tennessee. So if you have any aches or complaints, any neck pain, back pain, anything that's bothering you, anything that's holding you back from living your life at 100%, give Nashville Neck and Back a call, and I'll be honored to take care of you. Have a great day.